Today we are harvesting pumpkins and I will show you how we can turn them into yummy edible seeds. There are several steps to follow and I will guide you through each one. By the way, I would love to know where you are watching from. Do you prefer pumpkin seed baked or raw? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone with love farming or healthy snacks. Step 1 is gathering your pumpkins in one or two spots. On my farm, I have 4 spots, but the key is to organize them in one area to work efficiently. Step 2 is cutting the pumpkins. The tools I use are a small axe, knife, or even our trusty hoe. But use what you are comfortable with. Always cut them round, as shown in the video, to avoid damaging the seed inside. Step 3 is removing the seeds. You can do this right away using your hands, a spoon, or a scooper. Otherwise, you can leave the pumpkins in the field for 3 to 4 days to allow natural fermentation, which make the seeds easier to remove. This is what your field will look like after removing all the seeds. All these leftovers are really crucial. They are natural manure for our soil for the next season. And it's also good for different animals such as fishes. They love eating them. Step 4 is washing the seeds after fermentation. When the seeds are watery, they are ready to clean. I use a traditional basket to wash them, but you can also use a strainer. Lay them out to dry on old newspaper or biodegradable paper for best result. Pay attention to the cracky sound, which means that the seeds are dry and ready. That's how we harvest pumpkins and turn them into yummy edible seeds. I hope you enjoyed this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more whole farming tips and healthy snacks ideas. In my next video, I will share the amazing health benefits of pumpkin seeds and one of my grandmother's favorite pumpkin seed snacks. Stay tuned. Hiya, 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 hiya.